All right guys, so I've got the clear already mixed up. It's in here, and I'm using the J Diction resin. And I also found all my little Halloween goodies are all inside my little tray right here. So those are the ones I'm going to put in for the shake with the shaker. I'm going to go ahead and pour the clear on the top. Alrighty, so let me sit down. I'm hoping I got enough resin. And I already cleaned the dust and everything off of the mold. Go ahead and pour that. And then we'll pour this one. So these ones here are going to actually, I am going to attach them to the bottom bases once they're all cured before, and then, you know, before I put all, or after I put all, forget what I just said. So I made 40 milliliters. So I'm hoping this is going to be enough for both, which I hope, I think it will be. Okay. Just scoot it all the way to the edge. Up, because this one's flowing nice. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and let that cure. I'm gonna get my little my little popsicle stick here, or my toothpick, I should say. I'm gonna go around the edge here so you can get rid of all the little tiny bubbles. Get them to come up to the surface. Okay, and then I'll do the same with this one. And then all those little bubbles are eventually going to disappear. Get my little light here. I have to get another torch. I love watching little bubbles pop. It's really hard when you get the clear resin. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix the colors for the bottom base, all right? And I will be right back, guys. Hey everybody, I'm back. So I've got the black mixed up right here, and I've got some orange. And in the orange, I had put some of this, this one here, I think it is. It's a glow in the dark. So we'll see if that works. But I'm going to go around the edge and mix between the black and the orange, and we'll see how that works out. Let me get my... Okay, go ahead and put this around here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other one. And I'm going to clean up some of that spillage on the top here. So I'm thinking I might make it just orange on the top part. We'll see how that comes out. Scoop this up in here. I'm going to go ahead and pour orange on here in the center. Okay. And I'll go ahead and do the same to this one. So I made 100 grams. I mean, well, yeah, it was 100 grams. Well, 2.00 grams. And then I just split them in half. And I used one for the black and one for the orange. So we'll go ahead and put this in here. Scrape that there. Now, I've never done this before, so this is gonna be my first one. So far, I like it. And then I have to let this thing cure. Go ahead and get that in here. All the way around. With this one. There we go. Awesome, I like that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the bubbles out of it, and then I'm going to let it cure till tomorrow. And yeah, that's it, guys. Until tomorrow, we'll see what happens. Come back then. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I've got the top and the bottom of my coaster already cured. I noticed that we have little bubbles up here, but that's okay. I'm going to put something on that so you really won't see it on the other side when I attach it to the bottom part of the coaster. So this is it here. I'll just have to make sure next time when I make this, try not to have that, but you can see right there the little bubbles. It's okay, it'll still work. All right, so now that's the top and this is the bottom of the coaster. Go ahead and take this off. Okay, I already found my little guys that I'm going to be putting in the coaster. Here it is here. There's the coaster and then there's the top of it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put that over here. Here's my coaster. It turned out really, really good. So now we're going to go ahead and put the stuff inside it. So let me move this out of the way. I've got like skeletons, got a pumpkin, and I got all these from Temu. All these little guys here. Skull and crossbones. And then I have another one here. It's a little bit different. And then I have a couple of these skulls that I had showed you earlier. So I'll go ahead and put them in there. And then I came up and I found this package of all these little ghosts and witches and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in there. They're kind of sticking to me. I guess it's staticky. We'll go ahead and put these pumpkins in here. And I've got some spiders. Got some purple stars. And I got some white ghosts that I could put in here too. See? See, I've got the package here. And there's little cats in here. So I'll go ahead and put some of these in here. I got the little pumpkins. There's even little spider webs too. Seem to want to stick to my fingers. See if we can get a little white ghost in here. We got some stars, and I also put some of the little leaves that I have, the little maple leaves. There's another white ghost. Let me put this guy in here. There. Alrighty, so let me get rid of these orange Halloween. Happy Halloween. There. Alrighty. And now, what I also did, I put some of these beads in there too. I have little beads that I'll put in. And these little round beads here. These ones I got from Walmart. Oops. Just a little shake around in there. And then I've got some black ones here. This is another package that I got from Walmart. So I'll go ahead and put some of these white things in here. And I got some of these. Put some of these in here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my maple leaves in there. I don't know if you can see that right there. They're so cute. I got these from Temu. And these are very staticky too. So let me see if I can get them in. There we go. And then once I get all this stuff in, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover on. There we go. Got a lot of leaves in there. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and I am gonna glue the top on with crazy glue first. Right there's one. Okay. Get that up. All right, so I got my crazy glue and I'm just gonna go ahead and go around here. All the way around. Go around, come on. And then I have my little toothpick here and I kind of move it around, get the glue to spread. I just want to say hi to all my my new subscribers. Thank you for joining my channel. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Alrighty, so that's going to be enough right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on like so. Make sure it's on there evenly. Okay, I'm just going to push down on it a little bit. Okay, it should be stuck on there. I think it's pretty good, pretty much stuck in there. Okay. So that's on there. So now what I'm gonna do is in that middle spot right there where the little bubbles are, I am going to go ahead. I'm gonna put some UV resin on there. This is gonna go on it. It's gonna go right here. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some UV resin in there. Let me move this over on this side here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Start in the center, work my way around. And I gotta spread it around the edge. Okay, I want to get it to the edge. Right there. Looks pretty good. I'll put a little bit more probably on the top, in the middle. Let me move this around this way, make sure it's all the way around the edge. Can you guys see that okay? I'm just gonna add a little bit more UV resin in the center. There we go. Let that sit for a few seconds. Make sure that's in the center over here. Let's move it over here. Get the little bubbles out of there. Okay, now we'll hit the torch again, get rid of those bubbles. And then we are gonna go ahead and use my UV light. So go ahead and put this on here. And I'm gonna do it for 60 seconds first. And then we'll let that cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna hit it again for 90 seconds. Okay, so I did the UV resin on the top, and I put the Halloween here. See all the little guys that are in there moving around? Isn't it cute? So this is the UV resin that I used. Okay, yes, of course, I got it from Temu. So what I did, I went ahead and put the resin on top here so I can get that Halloween, Happy Halloween on there. And then I also went all the way around here. So if I decide to put the glycerin in here with some water, then I have the option of doing that too. But I kind of like it like this, as a shaker like this one. So, but yeah, so I made two of them. I made this one, and then I made this one here the other day, or today actually. But yeah, didn't they turn out cute? Let me bring it down like that. I changed the lighting on there so you don't have that ring light too much on there. But yeah, there they are. My little shaker coasters. Thanks for watching, guys.